Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss that what are the 7 best tips and tricks how to teach online. ओके सो आज हम बात करेंगे आपको एक जो है टिप्स में देने जा रहा हूँ जिसमें बात करेंगे कि आप ऑनलाइन कैसे पढ़ा सकते हो। ठीक है, तो what is teaching online? Okay, so teaching online is a great way to take all the things you love about being a teacher, right, to your home. Okay, instead of teaching from a physical classroom, teaching online allows you to create a classroom anywhere you have an internet connection. There are many benefits to teaching online, from comfort and convenience to being able to make some extra income. That being said, there are some challenges too. Therefore, it's helpful to have some tips how to teach online. Okay. First point is that the plan your classes. Typically, in a virtual classroom, class time is a short and students have the expectation to learn as much as they can in that given time period. This is why it's a very important to plan your lessons beforehand so you can make the most of that instruction time and prepare and master technology. Before you can confidently teach online, you you will need to prepare and master the technology required of you. Not only this, but being a state survey in general will have you be a more successful as an online teacher. To start, here are some things you should be familiar with how to do. Okay, so identify common technological issues, discover platform tricks, how to get data support, understand if there's mobile access or only PC access, setup and reliable working. Even though you may have theoretically be able to teach from anywhere, it is still a good idea to set up a working environment that feels both comfortable for you and familiar to your students. This will make starting your online teaching day run a lot more smoothly. Set up a reliable working station, have the appropriate equipment, have the background that excites students, make sure your internet connection is strong enough, try to soundproof your work environment as much as possible, eliminate distractions. And the fourth point is start discussion. Learning how to teach an online course is a tricky, that's why it's important to start discussions with your students right away so they can get comfortable and acquainted with you. Many students will feel nervous when the class starts, and by asking some right questions, you will make them feel more comfortable. And the fifth point is that communicate regularly. No matter what setting you are teaching in, it's essential that you are communicate regularly with your students. And remember to always introduce yourself and say goodbye at the end of each class. You should also communicate your expectations of the students throughout the lesson and remind them of the tasks and assignments and motivate your students. 6 point is that some students will be excited to be in your classroom while others would rather be doing something else. By finding ways to motivate your students and by keeping in mind their age and interest, you can really get them to interact more, find ways to keep them motivated. And 7 point is that ask for help and feedback. One of the best tips for preparing to teach online as well as one of the basics of teaching in general is to consistently ask for help and feedback. Try to find a friendly way to ask your students what they think of your classes and how you can improve. You can also reach out to other online teachers, mentors or company to get help when needed. Okay, तो आज हमने बात की कि ऑनलाइन कैसे जो है आप किसी को टीच कर सकते हो अपने स्टूडेंट्स को। तो ऑनलाइन टीचिंग क्या है? तो ऑनलाइन टीचिंग बेसिकली क्या है कि आप किसी भी स्टूडेंट्स को ऑनलाइन टीच कर सकते हो, ठीक है? तो उसमें क्या होता है कि आपको कोई फिजिकल क्लासेस की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको जस्ट अच्छा सा एक लैपटॉप होना चाहिए, उसमें इंटरनेट का अच्छा सा कनेक्शन होना चाहिए, ठीक है? और आप जो है कर सकते हो। तो इसमें 7 पॉइंट है, प्लान योर क्लासेस। तो आपको पहले एक किसी भी क्लास का एक प्लान बनाना चाहिए, उसकी स्लाइड्स बनानी चाहिए कि आप क्या डिस्कस करोगे। दूसरी पॉइंट्स होती है प्रिपेयर एंड मास्टर टेक्नोलॉजी। तो इसमें आपको क्या होगा कि आपको टेक्नोलॉजी की हेल्प करनी पड़ेगी, आपको पीपीटी का जानना ज़रूरी होगा, ठीक है। तो सेटअप एंड रिलायबल वर्किंग स्टेशन, और भी चीज़ें डिस्कस की हैं। और अब स्टार्ट डिस्कशन, आप डिस्कशन कर सकते हो अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, ठीक है। तो ये होती है। और उसके बाद जो है कम्युनिकेट रेगुलरली, आप अपने स्टूडेंट्स से रेगुलरली कम्युनिकेट करें, उनको बताएं कि आपने क्या पढ़ा क्या सीखा, ठीक है। और उन मोटिवेट योर स्टूडेंट्स, अपने स्टूडेंट्स को मोटिवेट करो। ऐसा ना कि मेरे स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं मेरे पास पढ़ने के बाद फेल हो गए, ऐसे ना उनको बताएं। उनको कहें कि मेरे स्टूडेंट जो है दुनिया के बहुत सारी अच्छी जॉब कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं वो कर रहे हैं। तो उनको स्टूडेंट्स को मोटिवेट करें, ठीक है। आस्क फॉर हेल्प एंड फीडबैक। तो आपने जो पढ़ाना था वो तो आपने पढ़ा लिया, ठीक है। तो आप लास्ट में क्या करोगे, जब आपकी पेज कंप्लीट हो जाए, आपका कोर्स कंप्लीट हो जाए, तो आप उन स्टूडेंट्स को कहोगे कि वो आपको क्या करें, आपको फीडबैक दें, कि ताकि आपको अगर कोई जो है किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत है इम्प्रूव करने की, तो वो आप कर सकते हो, ठीक है। तो hopefully this video is helping for you to understand how to teach online. If you have any query, you can ask in comment section. Thank you very much.